2020 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8. Got a nice lift kit on it, wheels. He got it for his son. So what we gonna do on it, what we did on it actually for you guys, is a Flow FX, as you guys can see there. We got factory converters there and there, wise into a single. And you can actually true dual these. It doesn't have the third cat on it, so you're able to true dual it. It has a Flow FX right there. Part number 71416. And then we 2.5-inch tailpipe out the back, and it's still got the factory resonators on it. He didn't want it too loud, so we left that on for him. He didn't want it to drone too much. And then we put a 5-inch black tip rolled right there, as you guys can see. There's the muffler and tip that we cut off and replaced it with. You always want to take this valve off, guys, because it rattles if you don't, especially when you change the muffler setup on them. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. That's nice. Not too loud. Give it gas. Nice. Yeah, I'm glad we left the resonator on, because he didn't want it too loud. There's sound decibels. Again. Right at 98. And the wind. Tennessee can never make up its mind when it comes to weather. Nice idle to it too. That sounds really nice. Really nice. I'll let you guys